Good morning. Today we're going to go ahead and start solving absolute value equations, and we're going to start with solving one-step absolute value equations. So what you need to know is the definition of an absolute value equation is the distance a number is from zero on the number line. So if you look at the two questions below, what are these two problems asking us? Well, the first one is asking us what numbers are 6 units from zero on the number line. And we actually have two options. We can go to the right or to the left. So if I start at 0 and I go 6 units to the right, I end up here, which is 6. If I go 6 units to the left, I end up here, which is -6. Okay, so this is asking us what numbers are 6 units from 0 on the number line. So your answers are -6 and +6. Okay, the second one is asking us what numbers are -1 units from 0 on the number line. And just remember that you can't actually take -1 steps on the number line. You can go 1 step to the left, but you can't go -1 steps. So that's actually no solution. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and solve this equation. The easiest way to do this is we need to figure out what would make this part equal to 10 and equal to -10. Because remember, we're looking for the numbers that are 10 steps away from 0. So 10 and -10 are both 10 steps away from 0. If we solve each of those equations, we get x equals 2 for the first one, and we get x equals -18 for the second one. You do need both those answers, or you will not be correct. Most common mistake is that students forget the second equation. Next problem. Same thing, we need to know what makes this 3 units from 0 on the number line. Okay, so it's either 3 or -3. So we're going to go ahead and draw our line through the equal sign. And to solve these, we need to multiply by 5 on both sides. So n equals +15, and n equals -15. Okay, so our two answers here are 15 and -15. Okay, last one. In this case, I need my absolute value by itself first. We're going to isolate that. So we need to do a little work up front. So I'm actually going to add 9 to both sides before I do anything else. So I get the absolute value of m equals 2. Now I can ask myself, what two numbers are 2 units from 0 on the number line? In this case, it's 2 and -2. Okay, that's all you're really doing today. So go ahead and try the practice problems. If you have questions, let us know. Have a great day.